what is happening? We are here to pick up this beautiful car. I don't know if you remember a while ago I showed you we had some damage, but that's okay because we're just gonna rewrap it. That's the beauty of wrapping your car. Looks good. All right, let's take her back to the shop. All right, so you can see in the light the dents. It's like a dent here and like a dent there. So it's not a problem. I'm gonna have my guy come and fix it, and then what we're gonna do is we'll sand this down so it's smooth. We had to do that on this side too. And you can see how. Got my main man Matt from Palm Beach Dents fixing this problem for our client, pulling out those dents. You already know it's gonna come out perfect. That's why I call him. Cool. You want to see how to show off work? We finished this bumper, but let me show you how to show off work. Here we go. What do we love? We love glass. There you go. When you have a good landing, everything else is just smooth sailing. No stretch lines, no glue bumps, no nothing. Tension is happy. Woo, let's do it.